I welcome you back in One in All YouTube channel. This is day 10 on top or upper row. Today I will give a third practice exercise which consists of real-time word which you use in day-to-day life. Starting there are two character word, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and like 7 and I think last 9 character word is there. So basically you have to type the above given paragraph starting from or to territory for at least, that is for at least meaning minimum you have to type 50 times. You can type more than that also. While typing you should avoid the use of backspace key, and at the beginning type slowly and later on you can increase your speed. And I will give you as a challenge that try to type the above paragraph without doing a single mistake. Without doing a single mistake. And if you do any mistake while typing in any word, say suppose error, while typing error word, if you do any mistake, then repeat the error word for another 20 times. That's it. That much. Thank you. Thank you so much.